welcome back into my channel. Today I will be face painting and maybe body painting my body for a special video. I read Independence Day. Today is 26, so I thought, why not celebrate my culture in a fun, unique way. I'm very excited to get into this. Hopefully this works. I've never body painted or face painted myself before, so fingers crossed. Okay, so as we can tell, I actually came on camera probably for the first time with no brows on. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the monitor. So, the first step into block out my brows. Brush all your brow hair up first, like this in this motion. BT dubs. I've never blocked my brows before. First, take the glue and brush it through your brows. Brush the glue through your brows really good. I think you're going to repeat this step a couple times. You hear how I said I think. There you go. Okay, it's kind of dark. Literally, you're gonna repeat this step about 7 times. I don't know, maybe 4 times. 7's more dramatic. And once it's dry, you want to take your translucent powder, which I'm gonna put this probably all over my face since I had face lotion on before I did this. Actually really looks like I actually look bald. Like my eyebrows look like they're gone. This is actually working. Okay, so next step is I'm going to sketch out my face where I want everything to be and go. Flash color palette from Amazon by CC Beauty. It kind of reminds me of like the Makeup Forever Flash palettes that they used to have, but they don't even sell those anymore, I don't think. So this is what I'm going to use today to achieve this. The first color I'm going to take . this is definitely the finished product. I definitely forgot to hit record when I was doing the first half of my face, but honestly it's wasn't like you guys missed too much, just like painting and adding powder over, you know, the paint to set it. This was definitely fun and definitely a learning curve for me. I definitely learned a lot of things of what to do different next time. I think next time when I do this, I will sketch out the star and then just put the blue around it so that the white can stay opaque instead of having to go over the blue. Definitely maybe try to find a way to make straighter lines and a way to trace out a star better on my face, because I forgot that the fact that my eyeball is here, so it's even harder to draw a star, and in general I don't know how to draw stars. You guys will love to see more creative things like this from me. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends and family people, and as always, thank you for supporting me. Bye.